Welcome to Manik Artverse. In today's video, I'll be sharing the making of my commissioned acrylic painting, Saptashwarat, a 15 by 15 inch artwork depicting Surya Dev riding his divine chariot with 7 radiant horses. This painting is not only visually striking but also considered highly auspicious in Vastu Shastra, symbolizing positivity, prosperity and success. Let's dive into the full process in this 12-minute hyperlapse.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Nah, nah. You're the better ones, you're king of God. Vastu, give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Vastu, give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Calling me royalty.
Thank you for watching the making of Saptashwar art here on Manik Artverse. I hope you enjoyed this artistic journey. If you'd like to get a customized artwork created for yourself, you can DM me on Instagram or reach out through my email ID mentioned in the channel bio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art content.